Have you ever listened to a native English speaker and thought, wait, what did they just say? 1 second, you understand every word. The next, it's just a blur of sounds. You think, I studied these words. I know this grammar. So why can't I understand them? Well, the truth is, you're not bad at English. You're just hearing real English. And real English sounds fast. But here's the secret. It's not really fast. It's connected. Today, I'll show you why English sounds so fast and how you can train your ears and your voice to sound more natural, step by step. Hey there, this is Anna. You're listening to the Slow English Podcast, a special series from the American English Podcast. Here, I speak slowly and clearly so you can relax, follow me, and learn at your own pace. This podcast is made for beginners, levels A1 to A2. So don't worry about big grammar or complicated words. All you need are small, simple steps every day. And today's step is all about understanding the difference between slow and fast English and learning how to move from one to the other naturally. By the end of this episode, you'll understand why native speakers sound fast, you'll hear examples, and you'll practice with me through shadowing. Ready? Let's begin. Imagine this. You're watching a movie in English. The actor says, "What you doing?" You stare at the subtitles. Wait, what was that? They said, "What you doing?" But the subtitle says, "What are you doing?" How does "what are you doing" become "what you doing"? This is what confuses most English learners. When you learn English in class, everything is clear and slow. What are you doing? But in real life, people connect words together. What you doing? The sounds change. Some words disappear. That's why fast English sounds almost like a new language. So in this episode, let's understand how this happens and, more importantly, how you can get used to it. Let's start with something simple. When we speak slowly, we pronounce every word. Listen carefully. I want to go to the store. That's clear, right? Now listen to how a native speaker might say it in normal speed. I want to go to the store. Hear that? Want to becomes wanna. It's not two words anymore. It's one sound, wanna. Let's try another. What are you doing? What you doing? And one more. Did you eat? Did you eat? This is called connected speech. Native speakers connect words to make the sentence flow faster and smoother. They do this all the time, even without thinking. Now, let's break it down into small steps you can understand. When one word ends with a consonant and the next word begins with a vowel, they connect. For example, take it sounds like take it. Go on sounds like go on. Turn off sounds like turn off. Let's practice together. Take it. Take it. Go on. Go on. Turn off. Turn off. Good job. These little connections make your English sound smoother. Sometimes native speakers drop small sounds when they speak quickly. For example, Next day often sounds like next day. I don't know becomes I don't know. Want to becomes wanna. Let's try these together. I don't know. I don't know. Want go? Wanna go? Next day. Next day. It's like words become shorter, softer, and connected. That's what makes English sound fast. Some words also become weaker, especially small words like to, for, of, and you. Listen, going to becomes gonna. Want to becomes wanna. Give me becomes gimme. Let me becomes lemme. Try them with me. Going to. Gonna. Want to. Wanna. Give me. Gimme. Let me. Lemme. You're doing great. If this feels difficult, don't worry. Every native speaker learned this naturally over years. You can learn it step by step, just like them. Now, let's put everything together. I'll read a short dialogue twice. First slowly, then fast. Listen carefully. What are you doing tonight? I'm going to watch a movie. Which one? The new Spider-Man movie. Do you want to come? Sure. What time? Around 8. I'll text you. Now, fast version. This is how native speakers really talk. What you doing tonight? I'm gonna watch a movie. Which one? The new Spider-Man movie. Do you want to come? Sure. What time? Around 8. I'll text you. Sounds completely different, right? But the meaning is exactly the same. Let's practice shadowing. That means you repeat right after me. I'll say each line twice, once slowly, once fast. What are you doing tonight? What you doing tonight? I'm going to watch a movie. I'm going to watch a movie. Do you want to come? Do you want to come? Around 8. Around 8. Awesome. You're training your mouth and your ears at the same time. That's exactly how native speakers practice their rhythm, even in their own language. So, what did we learn today? English sounds fast, but it's not really about speed. It's about connection. Words join together like puzzle pieces. Sounds disappear or change so that the sentence flows naturally. If you want to sound more natural, don't rush. Start slowly. Focus on rhythm, not speed. Repeat short sentences every day, and little by little, your brain will catch the patterns automatically. Let's recap the key points. 1. Linking. Connect words smoothly. 2. Dropping. Some sounds disappear. 3. Reducing. Small words become weaker or shorter. These three together make up connected speech. Now, here's your mini challenge for today. Pick one simple sentence like, I'm going to the park. Practice it slowly. Then say it faster and more naturally. I'm going to go to the park. Do this with 5 sentences every day for 1 week, and you'll start to hear and feel the difference. Subscribe for more slow English lessons and watch the next episode to keep practicing real English. Bye.